Have you ever wondered how billions of bottles of Pepsi taste exactly the same no matter where you buy them? Whether you're drinking it in New York, London, Dubai, or Tokyo, every sip delivers the same refreshing flavor. But behind every bottle lies an incredible manufacturing process powered by advanced technology, strict quality control, and massive production lines that operate almost non-stop. Today, we're taking you inside a modern Pepsi factory to discover exactly how Pepsi Cola is made, from purified water to the perfectly carbonated drink that reaches stores around the world. Let's begin. The journey starts with one of the most important ingredients, water. Since water makes up most of the drink, its quality is critical. Factories cannot simply use ordinary tap water. Instead, the water passes through several stages of purification. It is filtered to remove dirt and tiny particles, softened to eliminate excess minerals, treated with activated carbon to remove odors and chlorine, and finally sterilized using ultraviolet light or ozone. Every batch is tested to ensure it meets extremely high safety standards before production continues. Once the water is purified, it's ready for the next stage. This is where the famous Pepsi syrup comes into the process. The syrup is the heart of Pepsi's unique taste. Although the exact recipe remains one of the company's biggest trade secrets, we do know it contains carefully measured ingredients like sweeteners, caramel color, phosphoric acid, natural flavors, caffeine, and preservatives. The syrup arrives at the factory in sealed containers under strict security. Only a limited number of trained employees have access to the formula. Computer-controlled systems carefully measure the exact amount of syrup needed for every production batch. Even the slightest change could affect the flavor, so precision is absolutely essential. Now comes the mixing process. Giant stainless steel mixing tanks combine purified water with the Pepsi syrup. Powerful mixers blend everything together until the liquid becomes perfectly uniform. Advanced sensors continuously monitor temperature, sugar concentration, acidity, and mixing speed. If any measurement falls outside the required range, the system immediately alerts technicians to make adjustments. But Pepsi still isn't fizzy yet. The next stage is carbonation, the process that gives Pepsi its signature bubbles and refreshing sensation. Before carbon dioxide is added, the drink is chilled to a very low temperature because cold liquids absorb carbon dioxide much more effectively than warm ones. Inside special carbonation tanks, purified carbon dioxide is injected into the beverage under carefully controlled pressure. Millions of tiny bubbles dissolve into the liquid, creating the crisp, sparkling taste people expect from every bottle. Too little carbonation would make the drink taste flat, while too much could cause excessive pressure inside the bottle. That's why computerized equipment constantly monitors carbonation levels throughout production. Meanwhile, another production line is manufacturing the bottles themselves. In many Pepsi factories, bottles aren't delivered fully formed. Instead, the factory receives small plastic pieces called PET preforms. At first glance, these preforms look like thick plastic test tubes with bottle caps already molded onto them. The preforms are loaded into an automatic blow molding machine where they're heated until they become soft and flexible. High-pressure air then expands each preform inside a metal mold, transforming it into a full-size Pepsi bottle in just a few seconds. This process produces lightweight, durable bottles that are perfectly shaped and ready for filling. Before any drink enters the bottles, every single one is inspected. High-speed cameras and laser scanners check for cracks, scratches, incorrect shapes, or tiny defects that are invisible to the human eye. Any bottle that doesn't meet quality standards is automatically removed from the production line. The empty bottles then move through a rinsing system that uses purified air or sterile water to eliminate even the smallest particles of dust. Hygiene is one of the highest priorities in beverage manufacturing, and every step is designed to prevent contamination. Now comes one of the fastest parts of the entire factory, the filling process. Rows of bottles enter an enormous rotary filling machine where dozens of filling valves operate simultaneously. Each bottle is filled with ice-cold carbonated Pepsi in just a fraction of a second. The filling equipment works inside a controlled environment that minimizes contact with outside air, helping preserve freshness and carbonation. Immediately after filling, automatic capping machines place and tighten bottle caps at astonishing speeds. The caps create an airtight seal that keeps the carbon dioxide trapped inside. Without a perfect seal, the drink would quickly lose its fizz. But the bottles still aren't ready for customers. Every filled bottle passes through another series of inspections. High-speed vision systems verify the liquid level, cap position, bottle shape, and overall appearance. X-ray systems and electronic sensors can even detect damaged caps or foreign objects. If anything looks unusual, robotic arms instantly remove the bottle without slowing down the production line. Once approved, the bottles move to the labeling station. Powerful machines wrap colorful Pepsi labels around each bottle with incredible accuracy. Every label includes nutritional information, ingredients, recycling symbols, expiration dates, and production codes that allow every bottle to be traced back to the exact factory, production line, and even the minute it was made. Next comes packaging. Robotic systems group bottles into packs of 6, 12, or 24, depending on the product being manufactured. Shrink wrap machines tightly seal the bottles together using heat-sensitive plastic film, creating convenient packages for transportation and retail stores. These packages are then stacked onto wooden or plastic pallets by large industrial robots. Watching these robotic palletizers in action is fascinating. They can lift and arrange hundreds of bottles every minute with perfect precision, creating stable stacks ready for shipping. The finished pallets are wrapped in protective stretch film that keeps everything secure during transportation. Forklifts then move the pallets into massive warehouses where they wait to be loaded onto delivery trucks. But before Pepsi leaves the factory, the quality control team performs one final round of testing. Throughout production, technicians regularly collect samples from the manufacturing line. These samples undergo laboratory testing to verify sugar content, acidity, carbonation levels, caffeine concentration, color consistency, microbiological safety, and overall taste. Trained quality experts even perform taste tests to ensure every batch matches Pepsi's global flavor standards. Factories also monitor bottle strength by performing pressure tests, drop tests, and leak tests. The packaging must withstand shipping, storage, and handling without breaking or losing carbonation. Environmental sustainability has also become an important part of Pepsi manufacturing. Many factories now use lightweight bottles that require less plastic, helping reduce waste while maintaining durability. Water recycling systems recover and reuse water for cleaning operations, reducing overall consumption. Energy-efficient equipment lowers electricity usage, and many manufacturing plants are gradually switching to renewable energy sources. Recycling also plays a growing role. Many Pepsi bottles are made using recycled PET plastic, reducing the demand for newly produced plastic. Around the world, Pepsi continues investing in more sustainable packaging technologies to reduce environmental impact while maintaining product quality. One surprising fact is just how fast these factories operate. A single modern Pepsi production line can fill tens of thousands of bottles every single hour. Some of the world's largest facilities produce millions of bottles every day, supplying supermarkets, restaurants, vending machines, airports, stadiums, and convenience stores across entire countries. Every step is carefully synchronized through advanced automation. Computers monitor thousands of sensors throughout the factory, tracking temperatures, pressures, ingredient levels, machine performance, and production speed in real time. If any issue appears, engineers receive immediate alerts so problems can be corrected before they affect product quality. This incredible combination of engineering, chemistry, robotics, and food science allows every bottle of Pepsi to deliver the same refreshing experience that people have enjoyed for generations. So the next time you open an ice-cold bottle of Pepsi and hear that familiar hiss, remember the remarkable journey it took to reach your hands. From purified water and secret syrup to carbonation, high-speed filling, robotic packaging, and strict quality inspections, every bottle represents one of the world's most advanced beverage manufacturing processes. Billions of bottles. Millions of happy customers. One perfectly consistent taste. And it all happens inside the Pepsi factory. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at how Pepsi Cola is made, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more incredible factory tours from around the world. Which factory would you like us to explore next? Let us know in the comments.